Riwruok mar Azimio la Umoja oseyo migawo mar somo ewi deko mar omenda ma ichwalo ne sikunde. Gino ma kidek rocho chenro mag somo e pachoka endi. Jatend kweth manok e od bura Opiyo Wandayi wacho ni migawo mar somo oketo nyao kinde sekta mar somo ma kendo medo kethore pile ka pile. Jo od bura mag Azimio wacho ni ok gimor gi kaka itayo sekta no.
No plausible reason has been given as to why funds that should have been disbursed earlier in the term are only being disbursed towards the end of the term, if at all they'll be disbursed. It is for this reason that we take the position that the Ministry of Education is setting up school heads and managers for ridicule, failure, and blame. In the process, our children are collateral. Whenever the Ministry of Education has come under pressure over disbursement of funds to schools, they do what they did yesterday. That is, they assemble the media, put together some figures, and announce that the money will be released the following week. Most times, it never gets done. And when it is done, it is never sufficient.